So what you can do, you can memorize one sentence, and that sentence is like this. The sentence is, cute our mother. The sentence is, cute our mother. Now let me explain you what it is going to be. So what you will do, that Cu will stand for cubic, obviously, correct. Te is going to stand for the tetragonal. This O is going to stand for the orthorhombic. This M is going to be stand for the monoclinic. Then this T will be for triclinic. He is going to be for the hexagonal, and the last R obviously is going to for the rhombohedral. So these are the 7 crystal systems that we can memorize in a sequence by cute our mother, this statement. Now how we are going to arrange this, that we are going to have the complete idea about their parameters. So let's go for that thing also. So I will write over here in short form, that is cubic, then tetragonal, then orthorhombic, then monoclinic, then triclinic, okay, after that hexagonal, and then we will go for rhombohedral. So these are the 7 types of crystal system, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now let's see how to identify their parameters. Now what we can do, we know about the cubic system, correct. We have seen that it is the most symmetrical one. So what we will do, its sides are going to be equal. Okay, so you should write it down what I am writing, because while writing you are going to understand it in more clear way. And the all angles are also going to be equal, that is they are going to be 90 degree, and this is the most symmetrical one. Let me mark a star over here, as it is symmetrical, correct. Now what we will do, in case of tetragonal, see what I am doing. A is equal to B is equal to C, there will be one unequal sign. In this case we have seen that in the first case, in the case of cubic one, what we have seen, that there are 0 unequal sign. But here in tetragonal we got there is only one unequal sign, okay. And obviously the angles are going to be equal. Now let's go for the next one, that is orthorhombic. Now here what will happen, in case of sides you are going to get 2 unequal signs, all sides unequal. So I can write over here that 2 are going to be unequal. So I got 0 unequal sign, 1 unequal sign, 2 unequal signs, okay. And the angles in case of orthorhombic, if you can remember whatever we have seen in the previous slide, all angles are again 90 degree in this case also. So first 3 systems, cute O, cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, all angles are 90 degree. That's very easy. Parameters, 0 unequal sign, 1 unequal sign, 2 unequal signs, means all sides equal, 2 sides equal, all 3 are unequal. So that's how you are going to memorize this thing. Now let's go for the next system, that is monoclinic. Now what will happen in case of monoclinic, let's see. Again you are going to get, so let me draw an arrow over here so we will not get confused. A is not equal to B, not equal to C, that thing we are going to get over here, okay. So again 2 unequal signs are going to be there, and in case of monoclinic, what will happen, the 2 angles are going to be 90 degree, but the one angle, any one angle is not going to be 90 degree. So first 3 all are 90 degree. In case of fourth one, the one angle is not going to be 90 degree. Let's go for the next one. Let me write over there 2. Okay. So again in case of triclinic, now triclinic is very easy to remind. Triclinic is very easy because we know that it is going to be most unsymmetrical. Most unsymmetrical. So again what we can say, A is not equal to B, not equal to C, and in case of triclinic, as it is unsymmetrical, all angles are not going to be equal to the 90 degree. Are you getting it? All angles are not equal to 90 degree. Now let us go for the hexagon. So again we are getting how many equal signs over there? 2 unequal signs we are going to get. Now let us go for the next system, where we are going to get A is equal to B. In case of hexagonal, 2 sides are equal. Of the base hexagon, we know that 2 sides are going to be equal, but the another one is going to be unequal. So we can say that here also we are getting how many unequal sign? 1. And in case of hexagon, as it is special case, we can easily remind that one angle is going to be 120 degree. So any one angle we can take 120 degree and other angles are going to be 90 degree. Now the last case we have, that is for rhombohedral. What we can say that for rhombohedral, in case of rhombohedral, we are going to get all sides equal. So how many unequal signs we have? In this case we are going to have 0 unequal signs. So what we are getting over here? We are getting one relation, that is we can go for 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 0. This manner we are getting. So we can do it like this: 0, 1, 2, then 0, 1, 2, and in the middle write 2. So that many unequal signs you are going to get in case of this side parameter. So once you remind this, angles are going to be very easy. First 3 all 90 degree, then you are having monoclinic, 2 are going to be 90 degree, one of the angle is not going to be 90 degree. Then in case of triclinic, how you are going to remind that? Unsymmetrical, all angles are not equal to 90 degree. In case of hexagon, we know that one angle is going to be 120 degree, so the remaining ones are going to be 90 degree. Now what remained? Now we remained with the angles of rhombohedral. Now in case of angles of rhombohedral, all angles are going to be equal. All angles are going to be equal, but all these angles are not going to be 90 degree. All angles are equal, but they are not going to be equal to 90 degree. So that is the trick that you can have whenever you will see such question in the examination. The question which you can answer depending on this, you should go for this one. So if you remind it very easily by practicing, doesn't matter, but if you are not able to remind at the time of examination, because there is going to be a lot of pressure at that time which you should not have, but that is the nature of the human being. So such tricks are going to help you.